See, what is limiting reagent? Limiting reagent, the reactant in a chemical reaction that limits the amount of the product that can be formed is called as limiting reagent. See, in chemical reaction, there may be two reactants, three reactants are what they are combining. So what is the limiting reactants which limit the reaction? ठीक है, जो रिएक्शन को क्या करता है बेटा, लिमिट करता है. या हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि इन रिएक्शन विच हैज द लोएस्ट वैल्यू, ठीक है, आर विच इज टोटली कंज्यूम्ड in the reaction, so that is called limiting reagent. In another word, what we will say, the reaction will stop when all of the limiting reactant is consumed. Limiting reagent are those element, are those compound which consumed fully, that is called limiting reagent. And another which are not consumed fully, ठीक है, which remains unconsumed, so they are excess reagent. The reactants taken in excess which remains unreacted in chemical reaction is called excess reagent. By example we can explain. Suppose one example I am taking. If 10 gram of calcium carbonate is treated with 10 gram of HCl, how many grams of carbon dioxide can be produced, and what is the limiting reagent? And also we can ask what is the excess reagent and how much excess reagent will remains unconsumed. So see what they have given, calcium carbonate, they are reacting with the HCl, hydrogen chloride. There will be aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride. So see here, when they are reacting, what happen? They are forming calcium chloride, Cl2 plus what they are forming, water. Also carbon dioxide is evolved. Here carbon dioxide will be in gaseous form. This is in liquid form. Also if you will see calcium chloride, then there will be aqueous solution of calcium chloride. So this reaction takes place. See here we want balanced chemical reaction. If you will go for the balance, here 2 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, 2 multiplied here, 2 hydrogen, 2 Cl2, also 2 Cl, carbon, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, oxygen, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 oxygen, 1 calcium, 1 calcium. This is balanced chemical reaction. By balanced chemical reaction, we can see 1 mole. 1 mole of calcium carbonate reacting with 2 mole of HCl. They are forming 1 mole of calcium chloride, 1 mole of water, and 1 mole of carbon dioxide. If we'll see, what will be the molar mass? If we're writing molar mass, so you can see in the form of mass or in gram, how many grams they are reacted with others, how many grams are evolved, how many grams product are forming. If we are writing the molar mass, here calcium carbonate, if you will see calcium 40, the molar mass of calcium carbonate, molar mass of individual, if you will see the molar mass of calcium carbonate, so this will be 20 plus carbon is 12 plus 3 into 16, so that is 48 plus 12. What happened? 48 plus 12, this is 60 plus, this is 100 gram. See here, 100 gram of calcium carbonate reacted with HCl. If we'll see molar mass of HCl, 1 plus 35.5. This is 36 point and twice of this 2HCl. So this will come 36 to just 72 plus 1 73 gram. You can see here 100 gram reacted with 73 gram of HCl, and they want carbon dioxide. How much carbon dioxide will form? So molar mass of carbon dioxide 12 plus 16 to the 32. 32 plus 12, that will be 44 gram. You can see this is the relation. If they want calcium chloride or water, you can also write the molar mass of these. Here one relation we have found it. 100 gram of calcium carbonate reacted with 73 gram of HCl, and they will form 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So what will be the limiting? Who will be the limiting reagent? Firstly, C, 10 gram of calcium carbonate. If I am converting in 10 gram, so divided by full equation by 10. What happened? So here divided by 10, so 10 gram will reacted with 7.3 gram of HCl, hydrogen chloride, and they will form 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide. So 10 gram required 7.3 gram of HCl, and here HCl they have given 10 gram. So this means this will be more. 10 gram required only 7.3 gram, and you have 10 gram. So this means calcium carbonate will be totally consumed. So because only 7. If HCl is less than 7.3 gram, अगर HCl का मान 7.3 ग्राम से कम होता, तब ये क्या होता बेटा? HCl तुम्हारा लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट होता, एंड कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट क्या होता बेटा? एक्सेस रिएजेंट. यहाँ क्या है जो रिक्वायर्ड है 10 ग्राम के लिए, 10 ग्राम ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, वो HCl रिक्वायर्ड है 7.3 और HCl 10 ग्राम दिया हुआ है. इसका मतलब है HCl will be the excess reagent and calcium carbonate will be the limiting reagent. So see here, calcium carbonate will be the limiting reagent. So what is the limiting reagent? So you can see here, limiting reagent is calcium carbonate. And also they want how many grams of carbon dioxide produced. So you can see when 10 gram of calcium carbonate consume, it will take 7.3 gram of HCl, and they will form how much? 4.4 gram of carbon dioxide. So second, how many grams of carbon dioxide form? So carbon dioxide formed is 4.4 gram. And also if they were asking excess reagent, how much excess reagent remains unconsumed excess reagent HCl, they have 10 gram, 7.3 gram is consuming. gram, 2.7 gram HCl is unconsumed, or excess reagent is unconsumed. So one unconsumed excess reagent is HCl, and it has 2.7 gram which is unconsumed. 1 gram of magnesium is burned with 0.56 gram oxygen in a closed vessel. Which reactant is left in excess and how much? Atomic weight of magnesium 24, and oxygen 16 they have given. Four options are there. Magnesium excess 0.16 gram, O2 0.16, Mg 0.44 gram, O2 0.28 gram. So see here, they are asking which would be the excess and how much. Magnesium is burned in oxygen. Firstly, what we have to write, what will be the balanced reaction when magnesium is burned with oxygen? What happen? They are forming magnesium oxide. If you are balancing the equation, what happen? 2 oxygen 2, you have to multiply it 2. You can see from the reaction, 2 mole of magnesium reacted with 1 mole of oxygen. Here they have not asked about magnesium oxide, so no use we have to write, but we can write here 2 mole of magnesium oxide will form. See, 2 mole magnesium react with 1 mole of oxygen. So what will be the mass of magnesium reacting? 2 molar mass here, 24 atomic mass. So how much in gram? So 2 into 24 mean 48 gram of magnesium reacted with 1 mole, means 16 to the 32 molar mass. So 32 gram of oxygen, 48 gram of magnesium reacted with 32 gram of oxygen. In simple form, if I am dividing by 16, so what happened? You can see 3 gram of magnesium reacted with 2 gram of oxygen. 3 gram reacted with 2 gram. They will see 1 gram of magnesium they have given and 0.56 gram of oxygen. So it will be the limiting reagent, it will be the excess. So firstly, suppose I have taken 1 gram of magnesium. So 3 gram, we have divided 16 here. So 3 gram reacted with 2 gram of oxygen. So 1 gram, if you want to see 1 gram, so what happen? 2 by 3 divided by 3. So 2 by 3 mean this will come around 0.66. Here 0.56 is only. So this oxygen is less than 0.56 is less than 0.66, mean total magnesium given cannot consume. So which will be consumed? Oxygen will be consumed. So here one thing is clear, 0.66 gram is excess than given 0.56 gram. That mean that is what oxygen will consumed, fully consumed. Oxygen will consume, mean oxygen O2 is the limiting reagent. So here oxygen is limiting reagent. So which will be the excess reagent? The excess mean Mg will be. So what will be the excess reagent? So here excess reagent is Mg, magnesium. So one thing is clear, these two options B and D, they will be wrong. Why? Because oxygen is limiting reagent, they want excess reagent. So see here, 3 gram reacted with 2 gram. How much? 2 gram oxygen reacted with 3 gram of magnesium. How much gram is available? 0.56 gram of oxygen will react. How much? So 3 into 0.56 divided by 2. Solve it. 3 into 2 gram of oxygen reacted with 3 gram of magnesium. So 0.56, 3 into 0.56 divided by 2. How much it will come? 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6 to 8. What we have found it? 0.84 gram of magnesium will be consumed, but magnesium is 1 gram. How much excess of magnesium? We can write here, when we will take here 0.56 gram, they will react with 0.84 gram. 1 gram is available, 0.8 gram will be reacted or consumed. The excess of magnesium is 1 minus 0.84. 1 gram minus 0.84, so that it will come 0.16 gram. The excess reagent is Mg and 0.16 gram will be unconsumed. So what will be the correct option? A is the correct option. Mg they have given, but correct answer is 0.16. This question has asked in medical exam. Okay, very simple. Firstly, you will write balanced equation. After that, what happen? You will see the relation between masses. Okay, how much mass will react with how much mass. Okay, then write down 1. एक एलिमेंट या एक कंपाउंड का आप जो भी ग्राम्स दिया हो उसको यूज करिए. अगर दूसरा उससे क्या है बेटा, गिवन उससे लेस है, तो सेकंड वन जो है लिमिटिंग हो जाएगा. अगर एक्सेस है तो सेकंड वन लिमिटिंग, अगर लेस है तो फर्स्ट वन क्या होगा, लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट. एंड एक लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट तो दूसरा आपका क्या होगा, एक्सेस रिएजेंट. एंड यू कैन फाइंड हाउ मच एक्सेस reagent or how much reagent is unconsumed.